This is an incredibly exciting day for me today because today we will conduct our first ever free prize draw, our giveaway gift bundle. And this is the result of a project that a colleague of mine, Jerry, and I have been working on for the last 12 months. And it has involved setting up a membership club for you, my YouTube subscribers. And it's called Mark's House and Garden UK Club. And it's going to involve several things, but one of the things is giving away all the gifts that product providers and suppliers send to me. And in this video today, we're going to do the draw for those gifts. Now, it was my intention to conduct the draw out here in the garden, but as you can probably see from my attire and the movement on this Trachycarpus, the weather is just not good enough. So we're going to go inside and do the draw in my little kitchen. So come with me now inside. Let's escape this horrible, wet, windy, cold weather. Go inside, make a cup of tea, and do this wonderful prize draw. And when we get inside the cottage, I will also show you some of the prizes that we've already got lined up for the January giveaway gift bundle. So don't worry, if you don't win today, there's much more to come. Let's go inside. And so here we are indoors. Welcome to my humble abode. Quite a tiny house actually, and this is our main dining room. So I'm going to give you a bit of an order, a running order of what I'm going to do in this video. Then I'm going to do it. So the first thing I'm going to do is go through the prizes that we're about to give away in the December giveaway gift bundle. Then I'm going to say a couple of thank yous, because I really must say thank you on 2 counts. And then I've got a bit of a call to action, which is for people who are not yet members, and also for people who may want to collaborate and give us presents for future draws. Then we'll do the draw. Then I'll talk about the next steps for the prize winners. Then I'll talk about the newsletter. And then we're going to talk about exclusive content. And then finally, we're going to have a look at the prizes which I have already accumulated for the January giveaway gift bundle. Right, so that's the running order. Let's get straight into it. So some of these prizes have been donated by companies, and others Jerry and I have put in out of club funds from your administration fees, because we wanted December to be quite a nice draw. So we've got some pelleted chicken manure. We've got a furniture cover, garden furniture cover. We've got some of these wonderful thorn-proof gardening gloves, which I've been using all weekend to prune a massive hedge, and you'll see that video soon. I have 2 wildlife trail cameras to give away. They gave me 3. I'm keeping the top one that's already been unboxed. The other 2 are getting given away. I have some Pink Stuff cleaning solution, and I have those wonderful plant lights which are shining in my face. So those are the prizes that we're going to give away today. Now let's move on to the thank yous. The first one is, today, the 1st of December, I've reached 30,000 subscribers. And I'm feeling quite emotional about that. I'm humbled. And so I really want to say a big thank you to all of the people that have subscribed to my channel. Now, unfortunately, this club is not for people outside of the UK yet. There are a couple of real hurdles for doing this for people who are not in the UK. But Jerry and I are determined to find a solution to that and offer some kind of club to people who are not in the UK. But sadly, for now, it really is only for people in the UK. Having said that, my normal run of content will still be published on YouTube. So all those people who can't join the club will still be able to watch my content. So that's the first thank you, 30,000 subscribers. The second thank you is to all those people who have joined the club already. I'm amazed by how many of you have signed up and paid the admin fee to become a part of this brand new venture that Jerry and I have launched. We are so appreciative. It really is encouraging and assuring. And I really want to say at this point that the objective of this club is to benefit everyone. Benefit you, the member, benefit Jerry and I as the people who run the club, and also benefit product providers. So it's a win-win-win for everyone. But we have a value pledge, and we have a commitment that we will make sure over the course of the next 12 months, we return to each and every member more than the value of the administration fee. So you will get back more than you've put in. That's our value pledge. The other thing is, our number one priority is the member. That's the way we are putting it. That's our ethos. So any collaborators that come forwards with presents or gifts, it's always got to be about you, the member. Okay, so that's that. Now, we're going to get on to the draw now. This is the exciting bit. Let me just have a sip of my tea. When we get to the stage when we're giving away a car every month, we're going to be slightly more high tech. But this time, it being our first one, and because we're only in the early days, and by the way, everyone who has joined so far has become a founder member. The first 1,000 people to sign up will be a founder member, and you are all founder members so far, which is wonderful. Thank you very much. Founder members mean that you get the 50% discount on the administration fee, but at some point in the future, Jerry and I are determined to give a founder member dividend of some description. We don't know what it is yet. We haven't worked out the shape of it, but we want to reward those people who were early adopters, who signed up from the start. So founder members, thank you. Look out at some point in the future for the founder member dividend, but you are already founder member status, so that's good news. Right, what have I got here? I have 2 champagne buckets. Champagne is appropriate because we are celebrating today. In one, I've got a piece of paper with a prize written on it, and in the other, I have a piece of paper with every one of you, the members' name on it and membership number. What I'm going to do first is take one out of here and read it out to you. Then I'm going to take a name out of the name bucket, and that name will win that prize. Now, as we said earlier in a previous video, if you don't want one of those prizes, you can have a voucher instead. For example, you might not have a very large set of garden furniture to cover. You can have a voucher instead. Our pledge is to give you back more than you've paid in. So the voucher will be equal to your admin fee. So effectively, if you win a prize and decide you don't want it, you're getting the next 12 months for free. So that's our kind of deal on people who don't want the prizes. Now, it might be that you think, well, that wildlife trail camera's worth 60, 70 pounds. I don't want a £12 voucher. Well, you can have the prize. We'll send it to you. You can give it someone as a Christmas present. That's up to you. It's your call. But I do know some of the members maybe don't have such big gardens or don't live in a place where there's wildlife. So it's your call what you do, whether you go for the prize or the voucher. Right, the time has come. Let's do this. Now, where's my glasses? I feel as if I should be having my glasses on for this, but they're not to hand. And don't worry, I'm not building it. I'm not delaying the thing. I'm genuinely looking for my glasses, but there they are. These are so that I can read your names out. Right, I'm going to put my hand in. I'll put the cloths over so that you know I can't see what I'm pulling out. So I'm now pulling out one piece of paper. And the piece of paper says, Thorn Proof Gauntlets or vouchers. So that's those gloves. So the name of the person that comes out of the other bucket has the chance of taking them if they want it, or a voucher. Right, let's see who we come up with. Again, everyone's name is in here. Please be assured of that. And a tiny little piece of paper. And here is that tiny little piece of paper. And it's Scott. 1016 SF. Scott, that's your membership number, 1016 SF. Those are yours if you want them, or a voucher, right? The nice thing about recording this is it is on record. Oh, no. I've broken the process already. Let's put my hand in so you know I can't see what I'm pulling out. Here comes another piece of paper. The garden furniture cover, that's that great big garden furniture cover, and it is a big one. It covers my whole garden furniture set. And who's going to win that? And the winner of the garden furniture set is sorry, the garden furniture cover. Ruth, 1003 RC. Ruth, if you want that garden furniture cover, it's yours, or you can take a voucher. And let's do the next one. I just want to make sure that I only take one of these prizes out. The next prize is wildlife camera number 2. So that's one of those 2 wildlife cameras. That is on its way too. Robert, 1018 RW. You've won a wildlife camera or a voucher if you prefer. Right, let's go in again. There's 7 prizes in total. Indoor plant lights. That's those plant lights there that are shining at me. A set of 2. And the winner of those is it's quite stressful, this, you know. My hands are shaking, actually. Charles, 1001 CW. Charles, you've won a set of plant lights if you want them, or a voucher if you don't. The next prize is, oh, come on, open up. Pelleted chicken manure or a voucher. Big tub of pelleted chicken manure there. Who's winning that? And the winner of the pelleted chicken manure is, I shall make these pieces of paper bigger next time, Stephen, 1022 ST. Stephen, that is on its way to you if you want it, or a voucher. Right, here we go. Pink Stuff cleaning solution. Who's winning it? And don't forget, if you don't want it, you can have a voucher. Some of these things, by the way, will come from Amazon. And I'm opening the winning Aclac. Aclac, do you want the Pink Stuff? It's yours if you want it. Otherwise, you can have a voucher. Right, how many more of these prizes are there? I think this is the last one. And I think, from memory, it's going to be a wildlife camera. Should be, in theory. Wildlife camera number 1. So we've had the other one. This is the second one. Who's going to win it? And the winner of the second of our 2 wildlife cameras from iZeeka is Nick, NYCK, 1023 NM. Nick. Nick, a wildlife camera can be yours if you want it, or a voucher. I'm just going to check to see if there's any more prizes. No more prizes left in that bucket. Now, I found that quite exciting, exhilarating, and nerve-wracking. You might have found it disappointing if you've not won something, but don't forget, there's next month and there's the next 11 months. You've paid your money, you're in for the next 12 months. We've only done one of your 12 draws. So I next want to move on to what's available in the January giveaway gift bundle. So I'm going to bring the camera a bit closer. I'm a nervous wreck after all that. Anyway, right, more good news. These are the prizes that we've already got for January. Don't forget, the more people that sign up and join up, the more prizes we will get. As the database of members grows, more companies will be interested in pledging things to us. That's how it works. That's why I've set this club up, because that's how it was going. So we need to get people to join up. So if you're not already a member, please do consider joining. It's only £1 a month, £12 a year. That's with the 50% founder member discount, which I think is still available for the foreseeable future. Right, what have we got for January? This is a battery-powered, handheld, brushless chainsaw. If I should actually spring into life. I've been using that all week in my garden. It's a brilliant thing. It's from Lively. Lively sent me 2. I'm keeping that one. The one in the box in January is going to a club member. This is what we've got so far. More will be added. Now these are beautiful. I've been sent 2 by Sofern of these torches. They are so ergonomic now that you could put it by your bedside, you could put it in your wash bag in a hotel room, you could put it in your car, you could put it in your handbag. It's a high-powered torch. It's got the reason it looks yellow is it's got a protective screen on that which you will remove when you get it. But they are just so lovely. It's a beautiful thing. It's battery powered, it's rechargeable, it's lightweight, and it's incredibly powerful. So I've got 2 of those to give away in January. I did want Jerry to have one of those, but Jerry has insisted that it goes in the January gift bundle. So there will be 2 of those in the bundle for January. And I will be doing a review of one of them in December. And so you will be getting one of the ones that I do a review on. And then finally for January, at the moment, we have these incredible gloves from a company called Claddist. I'm very excited by these because these are supposed to be cut-proof gloves. And I do a lot of stuff in my garden with sharp thorns, for example, hawthorns and roses. And I've got 2 pairs. The one in the envelope is coming out to a subscriber or a member of the club. They're lovely, actually. I've got to try them out this week and see how they work, but I'm liking those. Right, so that is our gift bundle for January so far. Don't forget, it's going to get even better than that. Right, this is all about the gift bundle. Being a member of the club isn't just about the gift bundle. There's so much more than that. The newsletter will be coming out on the 5th, which is Friday this week. The deadline for members joining for next month's draw is the 25th, which is actually Christmas Day. We will be issuing some exclusive members only YouTube content mid-month, so look out for that. And don't forget our value pledge. It's all about returning more value to you than you've paid in. Right, hope you've enjoyed that. I've enjoyed it, found it exhilarating and nerve-wracking, but I'm actually bursting with pride and humbled by the fact that 30,000 have subscribed to the channel and so many of you have already joined my club. Jerry will be in touch with prize winners for your addresses. We don't keep your addresses on our file, so we'll need your address to send the prize to you. And I will see you soon for some Mark's House and Garden UK Club adventures. Bye for now.